Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add a job application here on your Wix website. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and maybe I'm gonna go ahead and create a new page. Okay, plus sign, add page, apply now, like so. I'm gonna tap away. I'm gonna edit this one. I'm gonna click on add an element. All right, in this section, let's just go ahead and find contacts and forms. And here you should be able to see registration. If you can't find it, click on the plus sign again, type in registration. And here you can choose from these templates, okay? But you can just easily edit the text. For example, I wanted to use this contact us form. So let's just go ahead and drag and drop it, attach, wait for it. Now for editing, click on the form, edit form, wait for its dashboard to open, like so. And then the contact us, let's edit the text, maybe application form, first name, settings. If it's required, go ahead and click on the slider. Last name as well, required, and the email. Okay. Message, maybe not. I'm just going to delete this one. Delete, and I'm going to change it to a PDF or upload their resume or CV. Okay. In the left panel, you have a ton of options here as well, like for contacts, the phone, birthday address. Just drag and drop it. Okay. And multiple choice here as well. For example, multiple choice like this, drag and drop, gender. Okay. Male, female, like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the file uploader in here. So we do have that under general. File upload. Okay, I'm gonna name this one as upload your CV here. All right, hit on save, close it. Gonna click on preview, like so. Here we have the application form. Okay, first name, the email, gender, upload a file. Okay, that is how you do it. All right, you might be asking, where do you find or where do we locate the files that was uploaded by our site visitors? Okay, you can easily find it on your media section right here. Okay, it could be either site files or visitor uploads a section. Okay, you'll be able to see that once your site is live and someone filled this up. Okay, if you want to, you can go ahead and test it out. But that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.